Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Civil 3D 2022. In the last session, we have seen a few details about creation of linear work. In today's session, we will see the few parameters of sub-assemblies. In order to do so, let's close this by default one drawing and open lecture number 39 saved in the last session. Now let's hit the corridor. Go to the corridor properties. Here we have the information tab. We can assign any name to our corridor. For instance, if we want to change the name as Road Linear Work 1, and under Object Style we have the basic and the standard one. Under Parameters we have BL axis 1-5. The BL is basically the baseline. So let's name it as Baseline Axis 1. Here you can see we have different options. We can select the ground level axis 1. Next we have RG. So let's name it as Road Region 1. Under assembly we have these options. So already we have just one assembly, so it would be giving only one option. Now here we have more options under parameters, like we have 20 meters difference. We can change the frequency to 10 meters as well. Under codes we have the links, points and shapes. It is a completely different topic, so we will discuss it later. Then we have these feature lines, surfaces details. Currently there is no surface. Let's create one. We can rename it as Road 1 Grid. We can change the corridor surface style to 1 meter and 5 meter. The rendering material can also be changed to grass short, and the overhanging correction could be done to the top. Now we can add another one as a top, then a new surface. Let's name it as Road 2, and this time we can go for the subgrading. So let's write Road 2 dash subgrade. Again we will choose 1 meter and 5 meter background. The rendering material could be this time as the asphalt. The overhanging connection could be done for the bottom links this time. And let's add the datum. Hit the plus sign to add it, like we did for the top. Now let's add it as a break line. Make sure it is marked as checked. Next we have the boundaries for the grade and the subgrade. Add automatically the daylight. Let's do the same for the subgrade as well. Then we have the slope patterns. Let's not go into that. Hit apply, rebuild the corridor, and then we are all set to view our new corridor. We have done plenty of changes now, so let's view it under Object Viewer. With the help of left mouse button, we can drag it, orbit it, and with the help of middle mouse button, we can drag it. Now you can see the frequency of 20 meter. If you could change it to 10 meter, you can clearly see the difference. So you can do all these variations yourself as well, just for the sake of learning and see the changes, like how different changes would affect the overall corridor. So we have both top and bottoms. The entire profile can be seen and you can see it is being followed throughout the pattern. Let's see this one. You have to give it some time to completely render and show you a clear picture. Here you can see this configuration. So both of the services have been seen. This is the settings tab. Under prospector tab you can see both services would be available. Make sure that you are in prospector tab to view them individually. Now we can save the file as lecture number 40 and then save it as we were doing all the changes in lecture number 39 file. Let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.